Hello everyone, and welcome to Ashante's Crash Course into Sign Language. I made this video for the people that were unable to make it to my in-class session. This will be a short little 10 minutes, maybe even 15 at the longest video, showing you all the things that you missed in class. The good thing about this is that you can stop it, rewind it, and start over. So, with that being said, let's go through the alphabet first. Okay, so we have A. It's pretty simple. Then B, C, curve your hand like a C, okay, D, it's like holding up just your index finger. Now for E, some people find this a little bit difficult, so what I want you to do is hold your palm up, put your 4 fingers down, then take your thumb and just slide it over. E. Okay? For F, you're going to take your index finger and put it to your thumb. F. G. So it looks like this. I'll move it over so you can see. H. I. J. Just draw it out with your pinky. K. It's just your thumb between your index finger and your middle finger. L. M. You know how M has three legs? It's going to be the same on your hand. N is going to be the same way. So it's going to look like this. So if you forget, just remember that 2 legs for N, 3 legs for M. Okay? So N. And then P is going to be basically an upside down K. Q looks like this. Hold it like this. R, just going to cross your index and your middle finger. S. So basically for S, just ball your fist and make sure your thumb is on the outside. It's different from A. Remember, A has the thumb on the outside. For S, it's going to be on the over your fingers. T. U. V, spread your fingers. For W, think about it as the whole leg thing, or stems, and it's going to be like this, W. So if you trace it, looks like a W. X. So for X, what you're going to do is you're going to just hold up your index finger, and then just curve it. It's an X. Y. And then Z. So basically, you're just going to draw out a Z, with your index finger. And that, folks, is the alphabet. If I do it all together, if you want to do it together with me, it's A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and then Z. Now you can rewind it, fast forward it, or pause it, do however you want to memorize the alphabet. Feel free. And just keep practicing at your own leisure. Practice makes perfect. We'll go ahead and move on to the numbers. Okay? So with the number system, what you've got to remember is that it's a little different. We can potentially sign the entire number system on one hand, which is pretty cool, but then you can get things misconstrued like the number 3 and 6. Most of the time, I'm pretty sure you're used to seeing the number 3 like this, but you've got to be careful because in the deaf and hard of hearing world, this is 6. So if you're telling a patient they need to take this 3 times a day like this, and you've been signing to them, they're going to take this as 6 times a day. I'm sure you can imagine how that is terrible dosage-wise. So we're just going to start off with 0. So we've got 0. Pretty simple, right? 1, 2. This is where it changes now. 3. From the number 3, you're going to pull out your thumb instead of your 3rd finger. Okay? 4, 5, and here's the number we talked about earlier, 6, 7, 8, 9, and then 10. Just holding up the thumbs up for 10. So let's try that again. So we've got 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now the cool thing about 6 is that when you start at 6, it's pretty much just keep using all your fingers from there. So you've got 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Okay, so then when we go to 11, it's going to be a little different. So you're going to flick your first finger from your thumb like this, but you're going to turn it around like this to sign to someone. That's 11. Okay, so you've got 12, flick 2 fingers, 13, 14, okay, and then 15. All right, so it's 11, 12, and then 13. Sorry, you're not going to flick your fingers for 13. What you're going to do is you're going to take your first 2 fingers, you're going to fold them inwards and outwards with your thumb out. Because remember, the 3 is like this. So when you do 13, you're going to flip it over and flick the first 2 up and down. So 13. So you've got 11, 12, 13, 14. So basically my 4 is just going up and down. 15, I'm going to stick my thumb out, and I'm going to move my fingers up and down. So let's try 11 through 15 again. So it's going to be 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Now when we go to 16, we're going to start with your pinky to your thumb. So you're going to go 16. Okay, just shake it like a Polaroid picture if you want. 17. Okay, hold like the 7, and then 8, and you're just going to shake it. 18, 19, and then 20 is going to be a little different. It's going to be like this, 20. Okay, so your index finger is going to repeatedly move to your thumb, 20. So I'm going to do it all together from 10. So it's going to be 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Okay, and it gets a little different from there, but we'll just stop at 1 through 20. The next time I'll show you how to go even further with your numbers. Now for the colors, this is a sign for color. Colors. Really important, especially if you're trying to ask a patient what color was the bruise, or what color was the phlegm that you coughed up, or what color was anything. And it's really important, especially when you're explaining pills and you want to tell them the red pill or the blue pill does a certain thing, and that's what they need to be aware of. So we'll just start with the colors of the rainbow. Got red. So you're going to take your index finger and just red. Orange. Now this orange is going to be the same for the actual fruit orange and the color orange. So you're just going to make a C and then make an S. So just orange. You do it twice. Orange. Yellow is fun. Yellow. So now it's going to be the letter Y, and then just shake it. Yellow. And then Roy, G. Okay, green. You're going to take your G, like we learned in the alphabet, and just shake it. Green. And then blue, as I said earlier. Blue. And then purple is you're going to take your P, like this, and you're going to shake it. And that's purple. For gold, you're going to point to your ear. And then you're going to make a Y letter with your hand. So it's going to be, that's gold. Okay? And then for silver, it's going to go up to your ear as well. And then you're going to make an S fist. Ear to S. silver. Okay? Silver. All right, now pink. Since red is up here, what do you think will be pink? Yeah, we're going to make a P. And we're going to pink. Good. Very good. Okay, and then white. 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 Sorry, move the camera so you guys can see that. White. White. Okay. And then gray. Okay. Black. So you're going to take your index finger, swipe it across your forehead. Black. Okay. Now for brown, you're going to make a B. And you're going to swipe it across your cheek. Brown. Brown. Okay. And those are pretty much all the colors you need to know. So we went over the alphabet, the numbers, and the colors. And next week we'll be greeting the patient and introducing yourself. So that'll be really exciting. Stay tuned for Shantae's crash course into ASL for nursing.